Hi guys, this is a quick look at my Corsair 680X case with QL fans installed throughout and a custom front from Coldzero. The reason why I got this case is because I love the looks of it and I like the RGB capabilities of it. What made me concerned about this case was the thermal performance and lack of airflow, as pointed out by some YouTubers, maybe especially Gamers Nexus. And that is why I got this custom front by Coldzero. The custom front is made out of plexiglass, a clear plastic. It is high quality, it feels good, and it looks pretty good. What I don't like about it is the fact that it's made out of this clear plexiglass, while the glass of the case is actually tinted, so it does stand out a little bit. But I guess that's subjective, and perhaps you actually prefer the looks of it. The reason why I got it though is the thermal performance and improving airflow in my case. To my big surprise, my testing today has not really shown any differences, as I'm seeing the same temperatures while gaming and while my computer is idling as when I had the glass panel installed. That means that personally, I'm probably going to reinstall the glass panel as I think it looks a little bit better, but perhaps with a different setup, you would actually see that getting this custom front panel would improve your thermals. The reason why I'm making this short video is because I considered this product for a while and I did not find any videos online about it. So I hope you enjoyed this brief look at my case and the custom front panel. Thanks for watching.